Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. So first and foremost, why do we promote the $25 business? Because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income every single month, guys. You get paid 80% if they stay in the system. It's fantastic, man. So a sale is so much more powerful in this system, you know. So this is the product that you want to promote, period. All right, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results. Look like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page here to make sure I do it in front of you guys so you understand these are real results. This is money that is going into my bank account. Blah blah blah. Let's do it. All right, looks like it's loaded up, and I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is show you how to get your links to this system if you're interested. So this is the link that I use in particular. I like using it. You can use any one you want, but this is the one I use just in case you guys were interested. All right. The first thing you want to do is go to the descriptions of my video there. You're going to see step 1 and step 2. You're going to see something like incomespeech.com or something like that, something similar. You click on it, it's going to take you to this page here. This is basically the sales letter for this income speech, $25 business. And basically it just goes over what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? And basically it's a funnel builder. If you guys know what a funnel builder is, it's like a series of websites set up to kind of make you buy something. You know what I mean? And the most popular one out there, the one most people use, is ClickFunnels, over $100 a month. This is $25 a month. So it's actually a really good product. I use it. It's fantastic. So it's actually a really good product and all this and that. It's not no, just a bad product. Or no product at all that you promote. Just it is a good product. So, and this is what you can make, guys. You can make $20 and $100 monthly commissions, guys. So that's $120 for each person. They also get a charity if you're interested in that. So anyway, guys, y'all can read over this however y'all want. It's a ton of information, but basically once you decide, hey, I want to try this site, click on one of the green buttons. It's going to take you to this page here. Basically put in your basic information, get down here, complete order, you're done. You know what I mean? One thing I want to speak on though, because if you use my link, you'll get this 14-day free trial for HBA Premium. That's basically training on how to get traffic to your link, based on what you want to use, like Facebook ad groups, YouTube, podcasting, whatever it may be. Right? It's training on how to get it, and it's constantly updated. One thing I want to stress to you guys: if you don't learn something else, do not buy a course if it's not constantly updated. The reason behind that is because rules change. The rules change, and they can mess up what the course is talking about. Something that don't seem to have anything to do with it can mess it up. It's crazy. And like something that worked on TikTok last year ain't working on TikTok right now, so to speak. So that's why you don't buy courses that don't get constantly updated. So it gets constantly updated, guys, and you can also get AI content. You get an AI content creation machine. It's going to help you make content for the product, for however you want to promote the product there. And yeah, you get all that for free. And the coolest thing about this is that you can get a sale with this product. If you get a sale with HBA Premium, you keep that $100, guys. Even though you technically don't own the product yet, you technically do own the product, but you ain't paid for the product. You see what I'm saying? So it's a real cool idea. Get you kind of rolling into the, give you a shot of rolling into the money. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, after that, what you want to do here, you want to go to, I'm going to show you the easiest way to promote this product after you go through the stuff, get your link. This video's about everything. You'll figure it out. You signed up for something before, you've done this before. All right, it's not that complex, but yeah, you'll get your links. All right, and I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product that I have found. that works. All right, guys, I want to show you the easiest way to promote this product that I have found that works. All right, that's what I'm gonna do here. So you're gonna see my second link there. It's gonna take you to my lead gen secrets here. Now once on my lead gen secrets, you want to just log in. You want to hit log into my account. All right, or make your account, whatever. But basically my lead gen secrets is 100 leads a day. You can email once a day. All right, which is fantastic, and they slowly build up till you get like crazy numbers like this. Don't worry about that though. It don't really matter, to be honest with you. Just but anyway, guys, what I'm gonna do here, I've been just posting email that ChatGPT has written for me. This what I'm gonna do now is show you guys how to get an email that ChatGPT has written for me, you know. So we're gonna take this email here and we're gonna get ChatGPT to write me something similar. All right, this is what we're gonna do. New chat, write me an email. And so we just post in the email that I wrote myself here. Copy that. I'm gonna show you guys the whole I get. Just post that in. Subject. Something like that. Oops. I made a mistake, guys. Hold up. Look, it already made an email, but that's not what I was trying to do. My bad. I typed the wrong button there. Copy. Delete this. Start it over. Sorry about that. Hold up. Ain't mean to hit enter. Sorry about that. I meant to type body. And then we just copy mine here. And you just gonna post that in there. Boom, we got our email in there. They should put something like, it might put some emojis in there, but no emojis. I'm gonna put that in there. So I just seen it write some emojis. You don't want emojis because my lead gen secrets can't stem emojis. So we're just gonna put that in like that. Now it's gonna write us an email. And I'm just gonna copy this. Simple as that. Just copy that. It looks pretty solid. I like how it looked. Just gonna put it in there like that. I already got mine. I just delete this part here. Just gonna copy body here. All right, and we just post it in. Very made email, just like that. Pretty easy, real simple. Yeah, I quit. That was very simple email. Take this out here. I'm gonna put our first name. If we get pick first name. All right. Get like bold. Bold there. There. Bold. What I'm gonna do is nice a lot. Yeah. That's last. Basically, like that. That looks pretty solid. You see how I got the email going? We're done. And what you're gonna do is hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check it. And we're gonna hit preview. And now the reason we hit preview is the Now let's take out the bowl in the top part there. I don't like this bowl personally. That's just the way I feel. It might look fine to you. It's just a little weird to me. All right, so that looks a little better. What I want to do here is you want to click on this just to make sure your link works. So that's what I'm checking now. Link does work. All right. And the email looks pretty solid. Got it clearly out ChatGPT. You see me put it in here very simply. And it's very easy to come up with emails, and you can copy this email if you want to for your sales, guys. It works for me, might work for you. I'm gonna try this email here. You don't have to put your picture down here. I just did because, you know, I had my photo, so I just edited it now. Put my signature on it like that. I had made that like a super long time ago, so I had it, so I just did it. And we're gonna send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. Real simple, real easy, quick, concise, all of them words, you know what I mean? And yeah, it just works for me. And it's so simple. It's so incredibly simple. I just had to show you guys, hey, this works. And you want to be consistent with this. You want to post all the time. Works. Keep posting. That's the number one thing. Keep doing the thing that you need to do to make money online. Just keep doing it. You got to keep doing it. You got to add on to it. Just keep doing it. And it's the simplest way I've seen to make money that actually works. And that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.